it's the Let's Play ATM machine toy. Now I'm going to show you the parts of the machine. This is the LCD screen, control panel, paper money slot, drawer, coin slot, and security card slot. Now, the time is 6 p.m. You can check the time when you press the date from here and the time. If you press it twice, you get the time. Here we have the date. Okay, now we already have batteries inside. I have my euro coins and my euro paper money, and I am going to insert them into the slots. So here I have the 2 euro. I'm going to insert it in the slot, and it's going to tell me how many euros it is. To check how much money I have, I need to press that. Oops. 1 euro. 1 euro. It's adding because I pressed the money button. And now I'm going to put in some paper money. 5 euros. Yeah? Now I'm going to insert my security card in the slot. Now I want to withdraw some money. I'm going to press the hand, enter the password. Oh no. I need to enter the amount. Let's see, 2. Press this again. Now it's asking me for the password. Oh, look, it's lighting up. You have to open it in 15 seconds. Ooh, there's my money. I'm going to take 7 euros, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to close it again. There we go. Now you can also use this as a calculator. So let's see. I want a sum. Now, I don't have money in it. Let's see if I can open it again. Oh, see, it says error. So I need to put in some money to withdraw it. Ooh. Now I'm gonna press the withdraw button again. 1 euro. I can withdraw my money.